Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to go clubbing. Firstly, never go clubbing alone. Always bring at least one reliable friend. You'll be watching each other's backs all night. Also inform someone who's not coming about where you'll be and what time you plan to head home. Now, many clubs offer guest list promotions that give you free entry or discounted tickets, skip the line privileges, sometimes even free drinks. You can find guest lists by checking club websites or social media pages and asking a club promoter or calling the club or your hotel concierge. Now, a table reservation can be great if you're with a large group or you want a place to rest or store drinks. However, tables are pricey and usually come with a minimum spend. If you just want to dance and mingle, skip the table and enjoy the floor. Now, always check the club's dress code. Most ban sneakers or slippers. Choose something stylish but comfortable to dance in, and if you can't handle high heels all night, go for low heels, wedges or comfy flats. Also, clubs get hot and crowded, so use waterproof or sweatproof makeup. A natural glam look is best. It lasts longer and requires fewer touch-ups. And finally, bring a valid ID, credit or debit card, phone, mini toiletries, keys, small purse, and leave bulky makeup kits, large cameras, or unnecessary items at home. And of course, the most thing you should not forget to do is to enjoy yourself. That's it, guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this, and I will see you on the next video.